Yes, Jonathan, what else did we learn about this in this detention hearing?
Well, Shep, the judge called Christensen a flight risk and a danger to the community and said the evidence against him is strong. Now, investigators say not only did Christensen attend the vigil for Xing last Thursday, which you can see here, he was also captured on a recording picking out other potential victims at the vigil. Although it's interesting to note that authorities didn't reveal how these recordings were obtained, and they did not play them in court. They also say Christensen threatened someone close to the case that provided evidence against him, but they did not say who that person was. Now, during the roughly 30-minute hearing, which members of the missing woman's family attended, Christensen showed no reaction and didn't speak. But his attorneys had plenty to say afterwards, telling the media, quote, "It's not really evidence at all yet. One of the founding principles of the American justice system is the right to confront and cross-examine witnesses in front of you. There was certainly no cross-examination when it's a one-sided recitation of what the government hopes to prove." Now, Christensen's attorneys also argued, Shep, he had no criminal history and that holding him in a jail an hour away from Champaign County put their client at a disadvantage, to which the judge replied, quote, "Those are not issues for today."
What more do we know about this suspect, Jonathan?
Well, Christensen studied physics at the University of Illinois, graduated in May with a master's degree, and those who worked with him at the school seem utterly surprised he could be involved in anything like this.
I've received many emails from faculty and students expressing shock that this happened. Those that knew him are quite surprised. There was no hint of something like this.
Now, a preliminary hearing for Christensen set for July 14th, Shep, unless a grand jury returns an indictment before that date. Shep?
Thank you, Jonathan.